Hi guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and let me show you how to add a Google account to this device. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Then find and select Users and Accounts and click on Add Account. Now select Google and enter email or phone number connected with your account and click on Next then. Now provide the password, just let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, click on Next, and then you have to mark if this device is yours or if it belongs to your key. Then click on Next, tap on I agree. Accept again. And that's it. As you can see, the account has been added. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.